My name is Christina Whitworth, and this is my reflection presentation for MDS 300. Where did my journey begin? My journey began in 1999 at Idaho State, where I was a Bengal. I looked forward to being accepted to the dental hygiene program. I loved being in a dental office and had planned on doing this since my early teenage years. However, in the fall of 2000, my life took an unexpected turn when I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease. I needed to return home to Boise to be cared for by my family. I liked this quote. It said, "My entire life can be described in one sentence. It didn't go as planned, and that's okay. And I am okay." Coming home in the spring of 2001 to Boise State gave me an awesome opportunity. My father, Dr. Robert Fridley, was a professor in the education department. He was happy to have me at home and excited to show me around campus and to have his daughter be a Bronco. However, Boise State did not offer the dental hygiene program, so I needed to pick a new major. I looked into nursing as both my sisters had graduated from the nursing program at Boise State, or possibly radiology. However, with chronic health problems, my grades were not what they should have been, and I had a few C's, which did not allow me to be competitive for either of these programs. I did, however, apply to the nursing program and was not accepted. Then life happened. I was married, faced more health challenges, and finally was blessed with a family. The last college class I took before this one was in the fall of 2004. Having a break from college did allow me to have some interesting work experiences. I worked as a pediatric receptionist where I learned multitasking and phone etiquette. I worked in the bridal department at Bed Bath & Beyond where I learned customer service and product knowledge. I worked as the public relations coordinator at Children's Dentistry. They hired a consulting company to come in and train me, and I was able to manage their social media posting, do all kinds of events, manage reviews, get reviews, and ensure patient satisfaction. After that, I worked as a Waiheke Elementary as a teacher's aide and then as a substitute teacher. Here I learned classroom management, how to teach small groups, and how to be flexible. My current occupation is the public relation coordinator for Treasure Valley Endodontics. Here I also manage the social media, I coordinate staff training, I'm the OSHA and HIPAA compliance officer, as well as I set up continuing education for referring doctors, as well as the staff and doctor I work for. The need to return back to college and set an example for my children had been weighing heavily on my mind, and I was excited when I learned about the MDS program at Boise State. It allowed me to apply my previous credits and pick new ones for the future. I felt like I was able to look to the future and not the past, and I was most excited about not having to take any more math classes. And I looked forward to only having about a year left of school. In this class, to me the most helpful assignments were the IDP, the MDS, and interviews. Developing an IDP helped me map out the courses I would take and understand their value. Instead of blindly signing up to classes just to finish, I really put thought and effort into what I wanted to gain from school and what classes would help me do that. Setting the MDS goals allowed me to focus on what I would get out of those classes and what life experiences those classes and those goals would help me to accomplish. Both of these assignments helped me realize the value of returning back to school and bettering myself. I also really enjoyed the interviews. One interview I did was with Rachel Mitchell, the dental office manager for Children's Dentistry. She was a great example to me of a leader, balancing work and family, an effective communicator. These are all things that I want to accomplish by finishing my education. What will I do after I'm done with my MDS degree? That is the million-dollar question. I want to, while studying the MDS program, develop my leadership skills. I hope to graduate with my advanced applied leadership certificate as well as my MDS degree. By then, I will have developed my own style of leadership that will benefit me personally and professionally. I will have the capability to lead that will advance me in my current position, as well as pave the path for better opportunities in the future. But most excitedly, I will have my college degree. I will show my children that all things are possible if you put your mind to it, even if it takes you 20 years to finish.